So we're out on the seabeds, as I've probably said. We've got my own 6480 out. We have 8.3 metre set of Cambridge rolls and quite a bit left to do. Before I start this video though, I just want to have a little bit of rant right at the start of this video about fuel shortage. Basically, there isn't a fuel shortage. It's only caused, in my opinion, by people panic buying, causing it. It's the panic buying is causing the problem. So just calm down, relax. If you need fuel, get yourself a bit of fuel. Don't fill everything. Because for people like me who need fuel to get to and from work, because it's weekend and we are still working, I've been trying the last 2.5 days and I need fuel tonight. Anyway, rant over, let's get on with the video. So we are Saturday morning. Today she's been a busy little girl, this house. Just go through what she's been. She's been on the tanker, as we've seen. We've had her on one of the K2s, hauling a bit of soda grain about. And she's also brought the combine header back to the yard for the last time for this season. So today, like I said, Dalbo set of 8.3 metre Cambridge rolls. Just sort that pipe out so it doesn't end up rubbing, and we've got plenty to go at, so let's get on. So I thought we'd just quickly explain exactly why we do this. I say you can see the difference in the field. Basically there's a few different ways. If you look like here where it hasn't been rolled, say it's quite knobbly, which isn't good for, can cause a risk with slugs getting involved in and eating the crop. Also the seed, I don't know whether I can find any of it. Oh, there we go. But it's very loosely sort of in the ground, sort of only just covered. So if you go down the rolling, the lumps are a lot smaller. The field is now a lot flatter, which means when it comes down to spraying, fertilising, even down to harvest time, the field will be smoother and easier to travel. I say, you can see down here where the seed's buried, it's going to be a lot more difficult for the slugs to get in, but it's also a lot more heavy around the seed. I want to say compaction, because compaction is not the right word. Ah, but there we go, there's the seed there. But the soil is now all round the seed, which gives it a nice little area to grow in. It's starting to rain. That's the whole point of it. You say, hey, there's more oil points, makes the fields flatter and easy to work on, helps control the slugs, and also gives a better soil to seed contact for a better germination. She's doing well. Perfect for this job compared to what the guys are all sort of quite big tractors. She's been a little light and nimble. She's perfect on this job. So let's go get a bit more done. Yeah, come on, I've got work to do. Come on, will you? Go on, go on, go on, go on. Farming would be a lot easier with that wildlife. Oh. Yay, at last. So that's it, job's a good one. Basically all over there somewhere. It's now all been rolled. It's all nice and weatherproofed and nice and flat, hopefully slug proof, and job's a good one. So suppose I better get back to the yard and see what the next plan is. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a grubby thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget, hit that down there. Don't forget to ring the little bell. Making some funny noises. Yeah, if you'd like to leave a comment down there, and I'll try and best to get back to it. And just an interesting thing for my own sort of morbid curiosity. If you've made it this far to the end of the video, just leave in the comments down below what is your favourite tractor you've seen on this channel. It can be something from very early on in the channel, all the sort of first couple of videos I did, right up until this video. Just for my own curiosity. Cheers for watching. Hope everyone's I don't know why I can't speak now, but I hope everyone is looking after themselves and staying safe, and we shall see you soon.